What's up, guys? This is Austin from Thrill Seekers. I'm going to show you how to remove an old seat cover and put on a new one. Start off just a little flathead screwdriver and go ahead and just start popping all the old staples out of your stock or old seat cover. Now, whatever staples didn't come out all the way, I just take a pair of pliers and pull them the rest of the way out. And we're going to go ahead and pull this the rest of the way off.
Seat cover you've requested, sir.
Fresh seat cover, extra grip, extra style. I'm just going to go ahead and fit it on the seat. What I do first is I make sure the seams are lined up on the front, pull it tight, and I take my staple gun. I prefer a pneumatic staple gun plugged into my air compressor, and I use 5/16 inch staples, just kind of the right length to get a good seat in the plastic base of the seat. And I'm going to shoot 2 staples just in the front of the cover, so that way I have my front lined up. Next step is I'm going to pull tight to the back. If you pull too tight, it'll make the seat kind of arc up like this when you pull the sides down. So just pull it nice and snug in the back where you have a little bit of resistance, but not too much. You want to center the seams on the back the best you can so that your seat cover is not crooked. Hold it with one hand, grab the staple gun, and then I shoot 2 staples in the back. From there, you got your front and your back lined up. Now the best thing to do is just grab the center of the seat cover on each side, and you want to pull down tight around. You're going to wrap it down to the bottom of the seat. Again, if you pull too tight to one side, the seam will kind of come off, so you want to center it the best you can. And then I push all the wrinkled material over the edge. Use one hand to hold it down. Grab your staple gun. Shoot one in that side. Then you want to pull the equal amount of material down to the other side. And do the same thing. Now there's one staple on each side. Now you'll see some wrinkles, but at least you're kind of starting to look to shape of the seat. So now what I do is I kind of just work some material forward and back and make sure, again, we're going to get these center seams lined up. I start at the middle and I push the material forward and down to the edge. I take this hand, pull, wrap it around. If your seat, depends on the model of seat you have, but some have some extra foam just down around here, and if you pull too tight, it'll kind of misshape the seat foam. So you want it tight, but not to where it's warping the seat foam shape. Pull tight. Then you'll shoot a couple staples on each side. So I do normally 2 right there. Then I'll go and push an even amount of material to the other side. I'm going to wrap it around. Again, pushing these wrinkles out. And try to get leverage with your leg and push against your leg for resistance. Shoot a couple staples on that side. Then I'm going to work evenly all the way up this way, all the way up this way, normally like 1 to 2 staples each. And then do the same coming from the center all the way to the back. And that's about what your seat cover should look like once it's freshly installed.